Bitcoin is up over 160% since the beginning of the year, and Ethereum over 370% since the first day of 2020. But that's expected, and we expect even more growth in the following years. The biggest craze of the year is actually decentralized finance, which strives to make the traditional finance obsolete, or at least upgrade it by not relying on intermediaries like brokerages, exchanges, or banks. People from all over the world invested over $14 billion in DeFi, most of it in the past 5 months alone. Many got richer, others lost everything. I personally didn't get too involved because of the high fees required for every transaction. The network was so congested because of all the craze that a single transaction could cost well over $100, and usually several transactions were necessary. Besides, how can I know which is the best DeFi project to invest in? The largest functions of DeFi are creating monetary banking services, for example the issuance of stablecoins, providing peer-to-peer or pooled lending and borrowing platforms, enabling advanced financial instruments such as decentralized exchanges, tokenization platforms, derivatives, and prediction markets. You might say, that's Greek to me. But don't leave just yet. I found which would be the easiest solution to invest into DeFi, with minimum risks, and in the following minutes I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use it. The DeFi Pulse Index is a blockchain financial product that makes investing in DeFi effortless and provides exposure to DeFi through one single asset. If you are familiar with the S&P 500 Index in the traditional stock market, it's similar to that. The DeFi Pulse Index tracks the performance of the top 11 projects in the decentralized finance that have significant usage and show a commitment to ongoing maintenance and development. All you have to do is to buy the DeFi Pulse Index token, and by doing that you are exposed to the performance of all these assets. Looking at the smart contract on the Ethereum network, you can see that the DPI token is actually backed by and owns these assets. You can see Uniswap, Aave, Yarn Finance, and all the rest. Looking at the token itself, you can see that there are currently 2,887 addresses holding the DPI token. Also, the volume in the past 24 hours is significant, almost $4 million worth. For me, the biggest benefit of buying the DeFi Pulse Index is that I can easily get exposure to the best performing assets in one single transaction. Otherwise, I would have to go on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and buy all these assets myself, track their performance, and decide when to sell and rebalance. The DeFi Pulse Index does all that for me with one single purchase. So let me show you how easy it is to do that. If you are familiar and comfortable with the Uniswap exchange, you can buy the DPI token from here as well. But in this guide I'm going to use the TokenSets website because that should be easier for beginners to start with. First, you'll have to come to this website, tokensets.com, and then click on sign in. And here you have a few options on how to sign up with this website. So first, if you click on sign up, you can sign up with an email address, with your phone number, or different ways to connect to your external wallet. The option that I recommend here depends on what wallet you are using. For example, Coinbase Wallet, Ledger, Wallet Connect, and MetaMask are the best options you have. For example, if you use a Coinbase wallet, you'll want to connect with that. If you use a Ledger, use that. Wallet Connect is for those wallets that support the protocol. For example, Atomic Wallet or Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, which is different than the Crypto.com app and should not be confused with it. There are two different apps. You have to check the settings of your wallet to see if it supports Wallet Connect. The benefit with these options is that the transaction is made straight on your wallet. You buy with the funds available on your wallet, and the DPI token is stored directly there without other intermediate transactions, like it would be if you sign up with an email or a phone number. Because if you sign up with an email or a phone number, they will generate an address for you, so you'll have to send your funds to that address, buy the DPI token, and then withdraw to your safe wallet. Those steps should not be necessary because you should already be using a safe wallet like Ledger, or even a Coinbase wallet, a MetaMask wallet, or another mobile wallet that uses the Wallet Connect protocol. In this guide I'm going to use Ledger, but the steps are almost the same no matter what wallet you decide to connect. That means I can go and buy the DPI token straight with my Ledger funds. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click on Ledger. Make sure your Ledger is powered on and it's within the Ethereum application. Make sure to select the address that has funds on it. I'll select this one. I'll click continue, and as you can see, I'm connected to my account. If I go to my account, you can see that I already bought the DeFi Pulse Index in the past, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'll click on Explore Sets right here, then make sure you are on Portfolios and click on DeFi Pulse Index. Once you're on the DeFi Pulse Index page, click on the Buy button, and this pop-up will show up. From here you can select how many DPI tokens you want to buy. Let's say 1, and to update the Ethereum value required to buy this amount. And by the way, you can buy using USDC, DAI, Ethereum or USDT. So you must have at least one of these cryptocurrencies in your wallet in order to buy this token. But you'll also need a small amount of Ethereum in order to pay for the network fees, as you will see on the next screen. So if you decide to buy with a stablecoin, be sure to have some Ethereum in your wallet in order to pay for the network fees. If you don't own any of these cryptocurrencies, be sure to check my other videos to see how you can buy them from different crypto exchanges. I'll also link to those tutorials here in the top right corner and in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And when you have the funds, come back to the screen and we'll continue from here. So you can also change the amount of Ethereum that you want to spend for buying DPI. So let's say 0.5 Ethereum, and it will automatically update the amount of DPI that I want to buy, which is 2.7, or select the maximum amount, half of it or a quarter from what I currently have in my wallet. Let's say I want to spend half of what I have on my wallet. That means 0.3 Ethereum for 1.6 DPI. If I click preview buy, it will show me the details of the transaction, which is 0.3 Ethereum will be exchanged for 1.6 DPI. The premium is the difference between the Uniswap market price, the Uniswap exchange from where these assets are bought from, and the net asset value of the set, which is under 0.01% right now. The network fee is 0.1 Ethereum or almost $8, which is quite high. When you connect with a Ledger wallet, you don't have the possibility to change this fee, to adjust it. If you want to be able to adjust it, you can connect with a MetaMask wallet, and that will give you the possibility to update the network fee to whatever amount you want. And also you should know this is the maximum amount that will be paid for fees. The actual amount, it will be a bit lower than that. And the total cost is the amount we decided to spend on DPI plus the network fee, which is 0.31 Ethereum. If you are on a Ledger hardware wallet, be sure to enable contract data. If you click on this link, you receive details on how to do that. If you need help with that, leave a message in the comment section below, and I'll do whatever I can to help you out. And right now I'm going to click submit buy, and I'm waiting for the transaction to appear on my hardware device, on my hardware wallet. I make sure the data is correct, then I accept and send. My buy order is processing. I'll have to wait to complete. While I wait, I can view the transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. As you can see, the estimated confirmation duration is between 2 and 9 minutes. And also the maximum transaction fee is $7.84. If I go back, my order is still processing. You don't have to click retry or just have to wait. As you can see, you can watch this page, and whenever the transaction is complete, it will appear as complete here and not pending, and it also reflect in your account. Even if the DPI token doesn't show up in your wallet, you can rest assured that your DPI token is in your wallet, and you can check that by finding out your Ethereum address, and for that we'll come to the account page, and you can see the DeFi Pulse Index coins here if you are still connected with the wallet you bought with, of course. But you can make sure by clicking on receive and copy this address. This is your Ethereum address, and close this. Go on the Ethereum Blockchain Explorer, paste your address here, search for it, and if you click on the token dropdown right here, you can see all the tokens that are in your wallet, and you can see my DPI token right here. So it's possible that your wallet doesn't support the DPI token, it doesn't support displaying it, but your token is still there. Your coins are safe in your wallet. You'll just have to find an application that interacts with that token, and the TokenSets website does that just fine. You'll be able to sell your coins from here. When you decide to sell your DeFi Index tokens, you'll come again to this page and click on sell, or you can click on these three dots and click on redeem. If you click on redeem, you'll be able to redeem all the coins that you have, because like I said, this index is backed up by all these DeFi coins. So you can either redeem the tokens that are part of your index, and you'll do that here, or you can just sell your DeFi index for a profit, your DPI tokens. And this is what I'm going to show you here. For that, you'll click on sell. You select the amount you want to sell. Of course, when you sell, you can select the coins you want to sell to. You can select to sell to USDC, DAI, USDT, and Ethereum. But again, you'll have to have some Ethereum in your wallet in order to pay for the network fees. After you decided what amount you are going to sell, you click on preview sell. And here you see the details of the transaction just as before. One difference is that you have to approve your DPI for trading. And for that, you'll have to click on approve and confirm that transaction on your device. And now I'm just waiting for my DPI to be approved, which it just did. And then I'll click submit sell. But as you can see, the network fee right now is getting higher and higher, and for the amount I selected to sell is just not worth it. But to complete and finish this transaction, you click on the submit sell button. The biggest risk that I see with this DeFi index is that it's centralized by the owners of TokenSets website. They are the ones that decide which tokens go in the index and the weight of each asset within. So if they screw it up, if something happens with the company or they decide to discontinue the index, your funds might lose their value. So don't take my word for it. Do your own due diligence and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Having exposure to DeFi is great, but Bitcoin is still number one. Now that the price of Bitcoin is almost reaching its all-time high again, should you buy more Bitcoin or wait? Be sure to check this video that appears on the screen right now to see my answer. It's a few months old, but the passing of time just confirms my conviction. I'll see you there.